Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and I'm back today with another Trader Joe's haul. It's been a while. I feel like I haven't really shared a real haul because I haven't gotten anything too substantial in one trip and it's always just been a little here, a little there. So this time around, I just got back from a little weekend trip and I decided on the way back that I'd go get some groceries and share it with you all. So if you love Trader Joe's, if you love haul, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So I've got two full bags. I also went to PCC, which is a local market, kind of like Whole Foods, a lot of organic, a lot of all natural items at that store. So I got a few items from there, but not too many. So mostly all of this is Trader Joe's, which I love, you know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull things out of the bag and share with you. Spinach. I love adding spinach to smoothies. This Cruciferous Crunch collection, something that I've shared a lot of times. I like to add this because it adds a little bit of an extra crunch to my salad. Some romaine hearts. I like to cut up one of these, add the Cruciferous Crunch collection, add some toppings, dressing, and that is an awesome salad. So I wanted to get back into eating a lot of greens this week because we went on vacation last weekend, and you know, on vacation you indulge a little. I didn't completely stay plant-based either, so I'm kind of just getting back into the rhythm, and I think just going forward we're just going to try to stay as much plant-based as we can. Doesn't mean I'm not going to go out and have things, you know, occasionally, keeping things simple when I am at home. So this is actually from PCC. It's just a bag of granola. It's from their bulk section. And I like this one because it's unsweetened. It had like 3-4 ingredients. Could have made it myself. Why not benefit from the convenience factor and have it made for me, right? So got that. Got some yellow lentil pasta, spaghetti. Give it a try. I've tried the yellow lentil or lentil pasta before and that was good, but this is gluten-free and I just thought, you know, because it has yellow lentil in it, that it would be some extra protein. All right, next up, speaking of lentils, I've got some steamed, ready-to-eat lentils. I grabbed this because it is Monday night and I haven't meal prepped yet, so I wanted to pick up something that was quick. And lentils, you know, takes a little bit of prep work. I need to soak it for a few hours and then I need to cook it. So I just didn't have that time, but I still wanted to be healthy. So this is a great option. My friend reminded me of it when she came over with a salad that had it, and I was like, that's awesome, you know. Half the times I'm not making lentils is because it takes so much prep work to get to the point of actually cooking it. So anyways, this takes all that out and you just add it to whatever you want. I'm actually making a lentil bolognese sauce for my spaghetti. So I figured this is great because it's already made for me. Right, not gonna bore you with this one, but it's soy chorizo. Great option, especially now that I am trying to be a little bit more plant-based. And I love it. It's spicy, it's good. I added to pretty much anything. My next thing I want to try is making a tofu scramble with this in it. I think it'll be delicious with like black beans and some tomatoes and onions. So I'm looking forward to that. I've already shared with you the Cosmic Apple Craze or Cosmic Crisp Apple Craze. I am not able to find those anymore. I did see them at Wajimaya, but they were a little bit on the mushy side, or at least the outsides were bruised. I don't know about the inside. So I tried this. They were sampling Envy apples at my local Trader Joe's and they were good. So grabbed a bag. Got some kale gnocchi. This is one of the gnocchi types that I have not tried yet. So I figured I've had the cauliflower gnocchi, I've had the butternut squash gnocchi. So kale is the last one that I haven't tried and it has really few ingredients. Kale, potato starch, chickpea flour, sea salt, extra virgin olive oil. So yeah, perfect. This is one of the newer items that I haven't seen before. Chickpea and red lentil risotto. Kind of like risotto, but it's a chickpea and red lentil version of it, so I'm excited. It's a legume-based grain alternative, so I figured why not give this one a try. I love risotto, especially when it's creamy and just really buttery, and I love it as a side dish. So I'm excited to give this one a try. And I was actually just kind of walking around seeing all the different new products. One product that I was really excited to try, but I didn't see it at my local Trader Joe's, was the everything but the elote seasoning. I absolutely love elotes. Elotes are corn that's then covered with mayo, Parmesan cheese, and then tahini seasoning. Delicious. If you've ever get a chance to try it, it's a Mexican dish and I absolutely love it, but I can't find it. Usually I just make it at home, but I saw that the seasoning was in the store. I saw the label, but there was none left, so I was really bummed. Next time I go though, I'm definitely trying it out. There was this other seasoning that I saw. It was a vegan chicken seasoning, everything but chicken or something. I don't know what it was called, but it was a vegan chicken based seasoning, and I figured that it probably tastes a lot like a chicken broth, so I didn't bother picking it up. But let me know if you have. If you do, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if it's delicious. Couple of frozen berries or frozen fruits. A fancy very berry blend. I don't know what's so fancy about it, but it's got blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. And then this one is mango chunks. I got these because I got some dairy-free yogurt that I want to just top off with some frozen fruits, and it's gonna be delicious. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is awesome. I always have this reduced fat one on hand. I find that Trader Joe's is actually the best place to buy it. It's a really good price point. Anytime I go to Wajimaya, it's actually more expensive. And then the ones that they have a ton of other ingredients. So I'm not too enthused when I need to get it from anywhere else. Like for example, this one just has water and an organic coconut, and really coconut milk should just have that. So I don't know. I like to get mine from Trader Joe's. On to the next bag. So right here on the top are some green beans. I'm going to be making a Thai curry with eggplant, green beans, tofu, so that's why I picked this up. I really like Trader Joe's sprouted tofu. I feel like it's very firm and it really holds its shape in curries. I also really like the ones at Costco. I just haven't had a chance to go to Costco, so maybe look forward to a Costco haul next week or something. I don't know. It depends on what I get. Organic dairy-free cashew yogurt. I have recently really loved exploring with cashews, and as a cheese alternative, I made these delicious bars that are in the freezer right now, but they're the ones that I shared with you last week on my Wednesday video, and it's just so good and creamy, and I've just really enjoyed cashews as a milk alternative. So I am excited to give this one a try. I haven't tried it before. Some coffee for my husband. This is just the Joe medium roast. All right, so I'm making that quick bolognese lentil sauce. And so I got 2 jars of this traditional marinara sauce, and I find this sauce to be really good. It doesn't have any weird ingredients, just tomato puree, diced tomatoes, salt, soybean oil, chopped garlic, onions, tomato flakes, basil, and oregano. So no sugar added. A lot of the sauces that I saw, the pre-made sauces, had sugar added to it, so I didn't pick those up. So these ones are really good, and for $1.20 or $1.30, these are quite a steal. So I picked 2 cans of those. Got some bananas because we are all out of bananas and I love adding it to my smoothies. Not a true tastefully balanced haul without some sparkling water. I don't think I mentioned it, but the yogurt was from the PCC market, and so are these. These are 2 different flavors. I've got strawberry banana and chocolate, so I'm excited. A big bag of all-purpose flour. This is because sometimes I just make sugar cookies and I like to just use regular flour, play around with my recipe with all-purpose flour. This is a tea that I got from the PCC market. Tulsi Sweet Rose Stress Relieving Magical Tea. Caffeine-free herbal tea. I had a friend of mine recommend this and said she really liked it, so I wanted to give it a try. I'm such a tea fanatic. I have so many different kinds of tea in my cupboard. It's kind of crazy that I went and got another one, but I love exploring with different types of teas because I love it. I love ending my night with a hot cup of tea. Fun fact about me though, when it comes to tea, is I don't like sipping on it when it's hot. I like to actually let it cool completely so that I can take big gulps of my tea. So I don't know. I'm weird. All right, and the last item I got is this vegetable masala burger. This is something that I've shared a ton of times on my channel. I love to have this in my freezer because it's delicious. I can pop it in my air fryer and it's ready to go. A quick dinner. And yeah, so I love grabbing this, having this on hand, and having a quick dinner on the go whenever I need. All right, there you guys go. That is my quick Trader Joe's haul for the week. I just needed to stock up on some basic items. I did find a few new things that I haven't tried before that I'm really excited to try. If you have any items that I should try, just leave it down in the comment section and I will see if my local Trader Joe's has it. So if you guys love Trader Joe's, if you love hauls, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.